Assalamu alaikum. This is Mohammad Tasawuf Karim Famim from the Department of Civil Engineering, Daffodil International University. Today, I will briefly discuss sanitary landfill, which is an important topic in solid waste management. A sanitary landfill is an engineered method of solid waste disposal designed to minimize environmental and health hazards. Unlike open dumping, waste in a sanitary landfill is placed in a controlled and systematic manner. The main objective of a sanitary landfill is to protect soil, groundwater, and air quality while safely managing municipal solid waste. A sanitary landfill consists of several key components. These include a bottom liner system, which prevents contaminants from entering the soil, a leachate collection system to safely remove polluted liquid, waste layers with daily soil cover, a landfill gas collection system, and finally a top cover or cap to seal the landfill after closure. This diagram shows the cross section of a sanitary landfill. At the bottom there is a protective liner, usually made of clay or plastic, which prevents leachate from contaminating groundwater. Above the liner, leachate collection pipes collect and remove polluted liquid. The waste is placed in layers and compacted, while gas vents allow controlled release or collection of landfill gases. Finally, a soil cover is placed on top to isolate the waste from the environment. The working principle of a sanitary landfill is simple. Waste is dumped in layers, compacted and covered daily with soil to control odor, insects and fire risk. Leachate is collected and treated safely, while landfill gas is managed through gas collection systems. After the landfill reaches its capacity, it is sealed with a final cover to prevent pollution. In conclusion, sanitary landfills provide a safe and controlled method of waste disposal. They play a vital role in protecting the environment and public health and are essential for sustainable solid waste management. Thank you for your attention.